Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding lawn care businesses in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go on Google in the upper search bar, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for, along with your city name. Then after doing that, you'll go down and pick from the first few results down below in the organic search results or up in the Google Map Pack. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you pick from, but it seems to be a pretty popular option. As you'll notice, there are about 400 searches every single month for lawn care companies in the Louisville area. And the goal of this video is to put your website at the forefront of those searches to really guarantee that 400 people every single month see our business first before looking at another competitor. However, in order to do that, there's a few different things that we're going to need to do first. So first off, we're going to need to build out some content because content is really king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitor sites, see what they're doing as far as content, and then we'll go back and talk about what you'll need to do as far as content when you start building out your website. So here we have GreenPal, and if we scroll down their website, you're going to notice that they have a ton of content on this site, and that is done on purpose because ultimately the more content you have, the more positive of a user experience you promote, and that's exactly what Google's looking for when they're looking to promote a website on the first page, is that you really have a solid user experience. So in order to do that, like I said, we're going to want a lot of content. I normally recommend about 750 to 1,000 words, but we're always going to want to go bigger and better than our competition, so it might be well over 1,000 words to really outdo this website in that aspect. Now, if we went even further into their content, you'd also notice that they have tons of keywords and phrases. So keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page. And based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So very important that we have our content as well as our keywords to back that content. Now, that's only going to be the first part of this whole thing and the internal side of things, which is going to lay the foundation for our rankings. However, we also need the external side of things or our backlinking, our citations to really help our website start climbing over our competitors. So let's take a look at this website's backlink structure and determine what you're going to need to do on the external side of things to really go in and outrank them. Here are on a tool I use called Ahrefs, and you'll notice your competitor has about 441 backlinks built to their site, and it's generating them some nice power and bringing in about 334 users every single month. Now, those 300 plus users are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally as far as content and keywords go, as well as externally in their backlink structure. So just like before, where we wanted to outdo them, it's going to be the same for backlinks. So just like we want more content, better industry specific keywords, we're going to want more backlinks. So if they have 441, we're going to want 882 backlinks, or maybe even upwards of 1,200 to really push that margin and really spread the distance between our companies. Now, if you do both those things, you should start to see a very positive result in the amount of traffic that your website can generate. However, there was one more aspect of this video that I mentioned before, and that is citations. So let's go over to the Google Map Pack really quick, talk about citations and how they really tie into everything here. So now we're back to Google, and we touched on this map pack very slightly in the beginning. This map pack is super important because it essentially gives our business a second place that we could be seen on Google. We could be seen down below, or we could be seen up in the map pack. And if we can get the number one result in both, we guarantee once again that 400 people see our business first before looking at another competitor. Now, the map pack looks for a variety of different factors, one of the most important being citations. And citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Yellow Books. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. So I actually took it upon myself to go through each one of these businesses and found that the number one spot had 52 citations, the number two had 37, and lastly, number three had 33. So like I said in the video earlier, we always want to go bigger and better than our competition. So if the number one spot has 52 citations, we're going to want 104 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content, and on top of our industry specific keywords. And if you do all of that, you should start to see a positive movement in the amount of traffic your business is generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that your website is bringing back for you month over month. Now, that's all I really have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one question, and that question is, what can an extra 400 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video is very educational, and thank you for watching.